Welcome to Tech Talks. Our platform edition today is focused on empowering your organization with Splunk Mobile. Tech Talks is a series of short webinars that are deep dives for technical practitioners. We value you, our customer, and want you to continue in your Splunk journey. Our experts help create these best practices, and we want you to leverage them in your daily role. I'm Richard, a product lead on mobile and connected experiences, and I'm thrilled to share with you some exciting things about Splunk Mobile. Before we begin, I would like to introduce my colleague, Dylan.
I'm Dylan, a product manager on the mobile and connected experiences team. Today, I'll share details on how we get your Splunk data onto mobile, safely and securely.
Thanks, Dylan. Today, we're going to provide an overview of Splunk Mobile, discuss the infrastructure and architecture of getting data from Splunk to mobile, review security and compliance, showcase how quick it is to connect a mobile device to Splunk, illustrate how easy it is to create dashboards and alerts, show you the Splunk monitoring console experience on mobile, and we'll end by covering additional resources available to help you take advantage of Splunk Mobile's capabilities. Our team will be available to answer questions throughout over the Q&A widget within your screen. If you watch a recorded version of this webinar, please continue the conversation through the Tech Talk discussions in our Splunk community at splunk.com/techtalk. In our session today, we'll include 5 really quick 60-second demonstrations. We'll hope you find these demonstrations exciting and entertaining. With that said, let's kick off our first topic with a demo video. Do you want Splunk on the go? We got you covered. This is Splunk Mobile in 60 seconds. Logging in with your mobile device is easy. Once you're connected, Splunk Mobile really comes to life. It gives you access to the same dashboards that you normally see on your desktop. This way, you can view your dashboards from anywhere in the world. Most users have many dashboards, so we've given you the ability to favorite them for quick access. It's also simple to search for a dashboard that you have in mind. Let's check this one out. On Splunk Mobile, dashboard visualizations are built natively, so the user experience is extremely responsive, very fluid, engaging, and fun to play with. You can expand to dig deeper. You can also scrub a chart to engage with your data. And you get alerts. Tap on this alert to see what's going on. Alerts can be actionable, so you can decide whether or not you want to take action. And that's not all. Splunk Mobile is available on Android as well as iOS. It's also localized to all Splunk supported languages. And that's it. Find out more here. When you think about mobile, we believe it's important to have actionable alerts. We want to give you enough information to decide whether or not you want to act. It's that simple. You get all the data that you need, then you choose if you want to take action. Another important component of mobile is our interactive dashboards. Most users want to see dashboards, but they also want to interact with them. A part of our charter is to make dashboards fun. So when you use Splunk Mobile, you can really feel and play with your data. It's really engaging, so definitely check it out. And of course, we support all types of visualizations. One big thing about our dashboards is that we built it using all native code. By going native, we really optimize the user experience. Although this is more work for our team, we believe it is the best for our customers because we're able to squeeze every ounce of performance out of the device and operating system. Splunk Mobile is available on Android and iOS. And in our upcoming July release, both platforms will be localized to all 7 Splunk supported languages. I'm going to pass it over to Dylan to give us an overview of the backend products that fuel these mobile experiences.
Thanks, Richard. To get started, let's take a look at this demo video that captures the overall backend architecture that works behind the scenes to connect your mobile device. Want to know more about Splunk Mobile's security and compliance? You've come to the right place. Splunk Mobile is powered by your Splunk data, but how does that data get here? Let's start with a high-level diagram. We have a Splunk app called Splunk Secure Gateway, which allows you to connect your Splunk instance to authorized devices. To make this all possible, we have a cloud-hosted service called Spacebridge, which acts as a secure tunnel for your data. Let's break that down. Splunk Secure Gateway and Spacebridge are built using the libsodium encryption library and TLS 1.2 encryption protocol. These are used to encrypt data end-to-end, meaning the data is only seen by the Splunk instance and the mobile device. SpaceBridge has been certified to meet SOC 2 and ISO 27001 standards. If you're a Splunk Cloud customer with a premium environment, you may transmit applicable regulated data, as SpaceBridge is also HIPAA and PCI compliant. All data that passes through SpaceBridge, which is currently hosted in the US, is encrypted. The only data that's permanently stored in SpaceBridge is encryption and routing details, which are anonymous. That's it. Find out more details here. To summarize that video, there are 3 components. On the left, we have a Splunk app called Splunk Secure Gateway. Here, users can register devices, and admins can manage their deployment. On the right, we have Splunk Mobile apps that are securely logged in. In between, we have a cloud-hosted service that transmits the encrypted data back and forth. Next up, let's talk security and compliance. Keeping your data safe is at the heart of the design of all Splunk Mobile products. To back that up, here are a few important security principles we enforce in our tech stack. 1. Splunk Mobile products are designed to be read-only. 2. Splunk Mobile devices are registered under user accounts. This means that the mobile apps follow the role-based access controls set in Splunk Web, and that changes in the account status are immediately respected on mobile. And finally, 3. End-to-end encryption on multiple levels is used to securely transmit data. Only the Splunk instance and the authorized mobile device can decrypt data. Now, on to compliance. SpaceBridge has been certified to meet SOC 2 Type 2 and ISO 27001 standards. If you're using SpaceBridge with an applicable regulated Splunk Cloud deployment, then you may transmit the applicable regulated data, including PHI and PCI data, as SpaceBridge is HIPAA and PCI DSS compliant. Finally, the SpaceBridge service is currently managed by Splunk and currently hosted in the US. In the future, we're working hard to bring SpaceBridge worldwide, or perhaps even privately to your company. All right, you've come to the right place to learn how to register your device or to deploy an entire fleet of Splunk Mobile devices. Let's break down how to get started. Admins can kick off the Splunk Mobile deployment by activating the Splunk Secure Gateway app. We've made activation easy by including Splunk Secure Gateway in any Splunk Enterprise 8.1 and above and Splunk Cloud 8.1.2103 and above deployments. If you were previously using Splunk Cloud Gateway, there's even a migration feature. On the mobile device side, start by downloading the Splunk Mobile, AR, TV, or VR app from the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, or the relevant app store on your device. The last step to getting data flowing is to log into the Splunk Mobile app. Here's a demo of a few methods anyone can use to log in. Looking to log into Splunk Mobile? You've come to the right place. We'll cover how to log in via authentication code, which works in any scenario. Plus, since Splunk Mobile is compatible with SAML and mobile device management systems, we'll explore how to use those tools to make logging into Splunk Mobile even easier. Let's get started. Here I have my Splunk Mobile app on my phone and the Splunk Secure Gateway app on my Splunk deployment. Both cloud and on-prem work. Viewing Splunk Mobile, I can see a 10-digit code, which I can then type into the registration window in Splunk Secure Gateway. After confirming my username and password, my device is securely logged in and associated with my username. This auth code method works for both local Splunk and SAML accounts. Splunk supports many SAML IDPs. Check out our documentation for the current list. In addition to auth code login, if you're using a Splunk Cloud SAML instance, you can use Splunk Mobile to scan a QR code provided within Splunk Secure Gateway. Then, I just type my username and password and I can log in directly on my mobile application. No desktop needed. Splunk Mobile supports any app config-based MDM provider. You can use the MDM to deploy and monitor Splunk Mobile. You can also use it to make logging into Splunk Mobile even easier. By passing a Splunk Secure Gateway generated file through MDM, users can directly access the Splunk instance they'd like to log into on their mobile device. That's it! 3 easy ways to log into Splunk Mobile. Learn more here. With that, I'm going to pass it back to Richard to talk more about dashboards and alerts.
Thanks, Dylan. As we noted earlier in our session today, the 2 core capabilities of Splunk Mobile is the ability to receive alerts and view dashboards. Setting up alerts is easy. You can do it in 3 simple steps. First, create an alert as you normally do on Splunk, or find an existing alert that you've already created. Next, add an action to send the alert to mobile. Lastly, you can configure the alert based on what you need. For example, you can set up a custom actions so that the person receiving the alert can easily trigger an action of your choice. Many users access Splunk Mobile to view dashboards on the go. Creating dashboards that look beautiful on mobile is simple. There's actually nothing additional you need to do. Here's a demo video to show you how. Building dashboards for mobile is easy. We're here to show you how. This is a Splunk Mobile dashboard tutorial in 60 seconds. Splunk Mobile currently supports all standard simple XML visualizations, and it is easy to create dashboards that look beautiful on your mobile device. First, create a dashboard using the classic dashboard builder. Next, configure your visualization the way you like them. Then, save your dashboard as you normally do. And that's it, you're all set. When you open up the mobile app, simply pull down to refresh. And now you have the latest and greatest dashboards on your mobile device. Let's check it out. As you can see, these natively rendered dashboards look great. Splunk Mobile supports all of Splunk's standard visualizations: area charts, bubble charts, column charts, gauges, maps, and more. And that's not all. These dashboards will also look great on Splunk TV. Just remember, if you build a dashboard using the classic dashboards builder, it will work on mobile. And that's it. Find out more here. The most important takeaway from that demonstration is, if you build a dashboard using the classic dashboards builder, it will work on mobile. Splunk Mobile currently supports all standard simple XML visualizations. This includes tables, line charts, area charts, and everything else listed on the right side. The mobile team is also actively working to support dashboard visualizations created with Dashboard Studio. And before we wrap up, I wanted to highlight a mobile feature that's available for Splunk Cloud customers. The Splunk Cloud Monitoring Console, or CMC for short, lets you view information about the status of your Splunk Cloud deployment. CMC dashboards also provide insights into how your Splunk Cloud deployment is performing. These CMC dashboards are available out of the box on Splunk Mobile. This way, Splunk Cloud admins can check up the health of their Splunk instance whenever and wherever they are. Here's a quick demo to show you how.
That's right, Splunk lives on the cloud, and you can monitor your deployments. This is Splunk Cloud Monitoring Console in 60 seconds. As a Splunk admin, you'll get data about your users, indexes, searches, and ingest volume across all your Splunk deployments running in the cloud. Up top here, you'll get detailed breakdowns of each area where you can drill down to any trouble spots with ease. No desktop? No problem. You can use your phone. Here, we have the exact same dashboards as on the desktop. There's a lot of data for you to dig into, so you can start a favorite for quick access. Or you can search. Let's check up on this dashboard. Up top, filter your data by instances, time, and other important dimensions. You can expand and scrub these charts for specific data points. And if you need to dig deeper, we can even tap on an item in this table and get event details. Beyond this, there are many more dashboards you can check out: index performance, scheduler activity, and more. And you can get alerts. Tap on this alert to see dashboards that help you figure out why things went wrong. No matter where you are, you can get down to the root of the issue pronto. And that's it. Find out more here.
We're about ready to wrap up this Tech Talk. But before we do, I wanted to quickly share the resources available to you to continue your journey. You will receive these assets in a follow-up email as well as the recording. Our resources include 1. A blog post that introduces you to the Connected Experiences product portfolio. 2. A product brief that outlines the features of Splunk Mobile. 3. Links to download the Splunk Mobile app. 4. Splunk Secure Gateway documentation. And 5. Finally, the .conf 20 videos where you can find even more information and demos. Don't forget that we have an incredible community of Splunk users on our community site. You can search the Answers section on mobile. You can continue the conversation for this talk within the discussion section called Tech Talks, where you will find all of the additional resources. And finally, there are Splunk Ideas, where you can submit new product enhancements or vote for current ideas from other customers. And that brings us to the end of this Tech Talk. We really appreciate you taking the time out of your schedules to join us today. Please tune back in for future Tech Talks. We're excited to share this series with you.